Yeah, it's your boy Dubs Daily, and I am looking emo today. Today I'm gonna be making a little video for y'all. Me getting rid of this. It's like, look at this, garbage. But getting rid of this, putting in this little sweet speed steering wheel. Look at that, look at the speed C2, speed mats. Gotta add this to the package, but hopefully all goes well. So first thing you're gonna want to do is get a 10mm socket and the wrench, of course, and unscrew the negative terminal off your battery. Please do not mind my battery. I know I should get that cheap. I know. The second thing you're gonna want to do is take these little rubber things out of the sides of the steering wheel. There's another one over here, somewhere right there. So you'll have access to two 10mm bolts, I believe, that are there. So once you have those two bolts out, you slowly take the airbag off. All right, slowly take that off, and then you'll see you have access to all these wiring harnesses here. What you're gonna want to do is this orange and yellow piece, pry this black piece out with something thin like a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. Then once that pops up, you go under and then pry the whole piece out. And you're also gonna want to disconnect this from this socket here, this wiring harness from this socket. And once you get those two disconnected, then I believe you take a 21mm socket and loosen this up, and you'll have the whole wheel disconnected. Like look at this. Look at the logo. You know, the logo's even shining. And hold on, here it is. Ew! Gross! But anyways, let's get this on, baby. Tighten back your negative terminal. Now for the real magic, let's see if it functions well with my car. Works great. I just tested out the volume and the mode buttons, and all of that functions too. Of course, cruise control, the voice activated thing, all these other functions, they're not working because they're not programmed for this car. So I might have to get that reprogrammed so I can have a full functioning steering wheel and not this. Like, look at this. This is horrible. This is horrible. Honestly, anyone could do this. I'd advise anyone to do it if they wanted to do it. Ridiculously easy to install. Anyways, that's my video for today. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have more for y'all. All right, I'm out.